I don't know, when I'm streaming the voice gets distorted like that. So why can I drive? Okay. So maybe I won't do more streaming because the audio sounded so weird. So I'm on my way for the bunker. I'm gonna open the floppy. My 10th floppy. That's pretty exciting. I remember the first time that I got a floppy and I was so goddamn excited. Such a newbie. Been playing this game for almost 3 months, I think. I think the first floppy I didn't even record it, and not even the second one. Started recording maybe after 2 weeks, maybe a bit later. Yeah, let's drive and use the energy. And I have the farm. Wow, I've been slacking. The bunker I've been recited. Sorry, sometimes I have some issue with English. It's been recited since like nighttime. It's almost 12 in the morning here. So, merge. Sarah, there was a question there. How do you say in Hebrew? How do you say mizug? How do you say merge? Bring two stuff together. Pretty awesome. No, FS. Sorry. Maybe I'll do the farm a bit later. Not in the mood right now. Even though I had an excellent trade 20 minutes ago. It brought my spirits back, and then something happened and then brought my spirits down again. So let's kill him. Just because I have the urge to. Okay, bye-bye. Let's open this. How much do I need? Cool. Maybe I'll come back later and kill, go to the 3rd floor, kill some for red tickets, and then kill the blind one to get 10 more tickets, red tickets. Start with you. Gas, good. Let's put you. You know what? No, I need you. Maybe. I don't know if it's enough. Let's try. If it's not enough, then I can always. Nice. Okay. Now let's go and get the flop. Okay. Oh my god, please, I want an infected box. Please, I want an infected box. So cool to have an infected box. And I have more storage space. What's going on with my hair? Sorry, I can see my reflection in the phone and something looks weird. Okay, sorry. I'm babbling. Okay, let's drive. Yeah, let's toss you. Let's try. Wait, something was strange. I'm gonna give you a lung so you can breathe. I've got you, brother. got you, brother. Yeah, it's very close. Okay. I got the extra pockets. That was so cool. Now all I need is the cold survival skill to go to this area and get copper. I really need and long for copper. Okay. Someone got me. Okay, come. Come. Bye. Let's come from... Did I get a puppy? They're very close needed. Come on. Jesus, seriously? No puppy? Oh my lord, yes. But just make sure that my way is cleared. Pick it up and come here. Okay, but just make sure that there isn't like a puppy in here, because sometimes they roam around. Just making sure, because one time I got into this place and the puppy just ran to me and I got an infected box. Yes. Sorry, I'm so excited. 2 floppy disks on a raid and now this. Yes. Okay. Yeah, my health deteriorates. Come on. So fucking cool. Okay. What I'm thinking to do right now is go back to the... Get infected box, jeez. I'm going to the bank and get the stuff that I... Get the stuff that I don't need. Put them in my take and put back to the take to the... Sorry, I'm a bit... Jesus, I haven't slept so well and I'm tired. Sorry. Okay, going to the bunker, take the stuff that I don't need, go back to my base, put infected, wait for an hour. I don't even have enough, I think, coins for I have only 16. I think to speed it up you need like 20, 50. So we'll wait. If I'll pause the video right now, the next time that I'll restart it, there won't be any sound, not even the sound of my voice. So thinking maybe I'll do it just so you guys can see what's in there. I'm thinking about it. Okay. Food I think I'll need. And I didn't get any... That's it. Maybe just something here. Nice. We killed him. Okay. So I'm gonna pause this video. Drive back. Well, walk back to my base. Put the infected box in there. Try to remember not to take everything out because then I'll lose the storage space, which I love, by the way. And by the way, guys, do you think can AIs or whatever can break into my acid bath? Can I store their stuff and be, completely safe that nobody will break into it? Even though I don't really need that extra space, it's so nice. It's fun. So I'm gonna walk, and it will take like 20 minutes and 1 hour. See you guys in 1 hour and a half. I'm not sure if you can hear me or not. I'm praying that you can hear me. Let's see. Okay, it's finished. Shall we see? Nice. Very, very nice. Wow. 2C4s, VSS, the things that I can never pronounce. Milkor. Dual Python, 1 engine part, 5 Cooper. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Not amazing, but nice. Okay. Give me a second, I'm thinking about something. Yeah, let's put what I need to put in here. Choose this and I wish you can hear me. But let's take this. Let's take all the clothes. Clothes are in here. Let's put fuel. This. Machine guns. Not this way, this is where to go. I need to leave something in here. Okay. So yeah, I'm finishing the video, sorry. See you guys next time. Bye. By the way, I have one more the floppy disk. So I only can do it in like 10 hours. See you guys in the 11th floppy. Bye.